Hey guys, this is Princey, coming out with another custom painted project. Well, this is a bit of a challenge for me. I've been searching on the internet via YouTube, forums, Google on finding a way on how to open this. I didn't find anything at the moment. But what I did do is I took the stickers off and the pads. There was no screws nowhere. So I got a flathead screwdriver. Yeah, whatever. And it was kind of like a thick layer. Well, this is what I thought it was. It was a thick layer, but it actually wasn't. And see, what I've done is I've actually gone a bit too deep, no pun intended, and I've kind of wrecked it, but I'm going to show you a way on how to open it properly. Hang on just one moment. I don't know if you can see, you'll see it, but it's kind of got a groove in there, and this kind of side goes in. So I would suggest what you should do is see the part with the LEDs on, and then kind of put the screwdriver in this way and then pry open that way. I think that would be the best option. Or another way, I don't know, if you want to make a smoother version and you just can't be bothered, or possibly drill it out with a Dremel or something on the side. I don't know, this could be the first time ever done this. And as well, I've noticed there was a little latch here, so probably that's something to do with it. Okay, so if I could just find the word. Yeah, I'm prepared. I was a bit excited. Here's the normal control, yeah. And here's a spray painted control pad that I did. Quite some while away. Anyway, what I've done, okay, I'm going to open it up. I want to see if I can prop this somewhere. No, okay. Well, just bear with me. Okay, so when you open it up, that should come off nicely. It's just this part here. I've already taken them out, but there is 2 screws that go here and here. You want to take them out, and then this is kind of like in a shelf kind of thing. You want to pull this out as well at the same time. It does take a bit of a wiggle, and yeah, that's what's inside. I want to see if I can actually still use this. I know it's a bit dangerous, but if I blow up, then goodbye. Alright, so okay. The LED did come light up. See, so it does still work. I'm not gonna put a battery pack on there because I'm not that stupid. But it does work still. I haven't damaged it. Okay, so what I've done, I've got to put all the stickers here and all the, the pads at the bottom to protect it in this bowl. And as well, in here there's some glue and the LED protectors. I don't know what, it's like a glass kind of plasticky transparent thing. I just poked them out and they're in this bowl as well. Here's one. I didn't do too well. It's got some glue on it, but I could just super glue it. Okay, and then the other one just came out clean. And then, yeah, what I'm going to do now is sandpaper. You can get this quite cheap actually. I bought this for £2.50 for 12 sheets. That's not bad. And yeah, I'm just going to sand around the edges. There's nothing I can do now. I can't really slide it back. I'm probably just going to super glue it. Excuse me. And then, yeah, what I was thinking, because I do like orange. Orange is my favourite colour. This top bit, I'm going to probably do orange. And then this line at the bottom, if I can get a hold of some... Well, I do have black spray paint, but the nozzle's messed up. If you look on my video of this controller, you see here. Yeah, the nozzle. Yeah, I haven't been using these colours for God knows how long. So yeah, yeah, I'm just gonna sand it down and make. Well, if this becomes a hit, then yeah. Okay, stay tuned.